Well, from a show of support to a show of solidarity now, and families of the victims of the Upahar tragedy came together with a different protest against the delay in justice for their lost ones.
A concert to remember the victims of the Upahar fire tragedy and to salute the spirit of those who struggled for 11 years to get justice for them. Even after the final verdict was delivered last year, 24 families of the victims are still working to ensure that the guilty do not escape punishment.
I lost my sister in this tragedy.
Okay, how old were you?
I was like about 2-3 years old at that time, so I still have that faint memory in my mind about the whole thing. I think the government is trying to do something, but they aren't trying to do it as much as they can. So I think if they put in more attention towards this topic, then I think like the whole country can be benefited.
Mutkal shared the pain of the families.
When I have lost, let's say, parent, I lost my father 11 years ago, 10 years ago. Yes, it helps you because it's a wonderful companion in the same way that a wonderful companion is with you. Somebody who doesn't really ask for anything, but who's there with unconditional affection in the same way.
The Association of Victims of Upahar tragedy now want to make their struggle count.
What to talk of the names?
I think it is very important that the people in this country really realize how important safety is, and it's time people start demanding for safety. We have to make them aware of the rights. You know, probably I think the younger generation is the right one because they're the one who enter the public places. They go to the cinema halls and they must know. I mean, these are the safety norms which we need to follow. And okay, if they're not there, they must try and boycott that place because after all, it isn't an emergency thing.
It was an evening when the music spoke for an entire audience.
इसमें बताया गया है कि किसी सॉन्ग में कि खामोश रहो कि तुम कुछ मत बोलो क्योंकि एक तुम्हारी खामोशी में साइलेंस में बहुत कुछ है। मजबूरी होती है लेकिन वक्त के साथ कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं कोई आवाज उठ के कहीं पहुंचती है।
With camera person Saptarishi Roy in New Delhi.